today we are going to Colorado City just for a night. It's going to be 3.5 hours there. So I'm just going there for a one night layover on the way to Dallas, Texas. Yep. So that's the plan. Last night on the way back from Guadalupe National Park, I almost died. It was so scary. I was riding on a one-way lane with no divider in the middle, like what you see over here. And then as I was riding, like over here, a car from the opposite direction just turned right in front of me. It was so close. It was like, I don't even understand. Like, it's impossible for him to like not be able to see me. Like, what was that even about? It was crazy. Oh, yeah, but I'm happy I'm still here. It could have been really bad. Like, I probably could have died. Yeah. And a few days ago at Las Cruces, I was riding on the highway back, also at night, but with lights. There was a guy who was trying to overtake a car in front, and he just swerved into my lane. What is going on? Yeah, so 2 close misses in a span of, I think, a week. Before that, I don't think I had any close misses. Yeah, that was pretty scary. Oh. Yep. I'm just going to try my best to stay as safe as possible. Okay, let's go. We're reaching the motel after so long. So tired right now. Been singing songs. I think I almost fell asleep. Just another 6 more minutes. Yeah. Guess I'm getting out the next exit. Colorado City. Forgot the name of the motel. Best view? Off view? Rain view? I don't know. We'll find out soon. Is it Relax Inn? I think it's Relax Inn. Seems like that one. Not this one. Not this one. I see it. So dodgy looking. Where can I park?
Your destination is on the
Don't know. Whatever, I'm just gonna park somewhere around here first. And then we'll see. I hope they don't need my passport because it's in the bag. Oh my god! My bag dropped! Uh-oh, this is very bad. Oh, it's here! Oh my god, I got a heart attack! How did that happen? Oh my god, it was saved! Shit! Oh wow! I can't believe this happened. Oh my god, thank god. That was crazy. Oh my god, that was so scary. How did that happen? Maybe the road was too bumpy. I'm gonna tie it. Tighten it around. I got the shock of my life. I really need to pee. Yeah, just open. Do you think anyone is here? For a room called Jimmy. This must be one of them dodgier hotels, but this seems okay. I just want to get a room and take out my helmet. So stressful. Yeah, I'm gonna try the call. Alright. Okay, I'm going to the office now. It's coming. Was my motel room at Colorado City for the night. The outside seems a little dodgy, the town's a little dodgy, but everyone has been nice. I talked to the receptionist guy who lives in 103 and also has a house somewhere nearby. And I went to the supermarket and people were generally nice. Yeah, I was a little bit worried because I'm in Texas right now, but so far nothing. Yeah. Worried in the sense of racism because of what I heard from other people. Like there's a stereotype over here. But yeah, it's only been my first day in Texas. We'll see. Okay, I'm itchy. Alright, and it's time to go. It's a 4-hour ride to Garland, which is near Dallas, Texas, in the area. And I'm going to meet my host, Ashley. Okay, let's go.
Head east on I-20 Business Loop, East West Point Avenue toward Waco Street.
Oh, I think it's windy. I hate wind. Oh. I don't even know if I hate the cold more or the wind more. Maybe the wind, because the wind is more dangerous right now. Yeah. It's a little quaint town. It's quite rustic. Okay, I'm on the right track. Now I just have to fight with this baby wind. Not so bad so far. I don't want to see this wind. There seems to be a lot of roadworks in Texas. This is like the second one, or maybe the third one I've encountered. They're everywhere. I'm looking for a snack. Oh, I saw one, a blueberry muffin. 517 calories. Okay, maybe not. I think I'm not going to eat anything. Hi. Number 5?
How much, babe?
$4.
$5 on 5.
No, $4 on 5.
$4 on 5.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
You said $4, didn't you?
Yeah, $4.
$4 on 5. Okay.
It's fine. I can put $5 on 5. It's okay. All right.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Why is 5 and 4 so hard for me today? I don't know why.
It's okay.
You need your receipt, hun?
Yeah, it's okay. No.
Thank you, love.
Alright, thank you.
Great day.
Okay, anyway, 1 hour more to the destination. And I must say, it has been pretty weird. I've been riding for like 3 hours. I've not seen a single motorcycle on the road. I don't know why. It's not like it's very cold over here. It's pretty warm. It's very strange. Not even one motorcycle from any direction. Keeps asking me to take the express lane, but I keep seeing all of these rates. I'm not going to take the express lane. I'd rather like take another 16 minutes. Like no one's using the express lane. Like how are they, like is there like a toll booth? I'm so confused. Oh my god, these cities are confusing. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here. It's going too fast. 28 more minutes. Oh my god, I've been riding for about like 5 hours. I think. Close to 5 hours. Man. What is going on? This place is so confusing. Okay, I see the toll booth on the right. I don't understand. Gosh. It's been such a long day. My butt is becoming a pancake. Help me. I really want to get out. And I hate all these T signs. I don't understand what they mean. And they all have cameras on them. Like what do you want me to do now? You see the number of cameras over there. I'm already like here. Oh my god, so many people. Okay. I think I'm reaching. I can't believe I'm crying. Okay, fake crying. Oh, there's someone to turn left. What's that car doing? Left.
Turn left to stay on Clear Springs Circle, then your destination will be on the right.
On the right? Which one?
Your destination is on the right.
Is it this one? Okay, let me just get on. Oh, my legs hurt. Everything hurts. I'm on some kind of slope-ish. Oh my god. My butt hurts. Mikey, are you okay? Oh! Okay, let's go find Ashley. Hello. Where can I park the bike?
Good question. So, is outside okay?
Yeah, is it okay if I just park it the driveway?
fine. I go on that side. That's my car right there. I just have it parked that side for now. But
Oh.
yeah, so as long as you're on this side, then that's
Okay, so maybe I could park like somewhere here?
yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, wherever you think.
All right.
hit
Okay.
it. All right.
I'll start moving it. Okay, let's drive up the driveway. Pretty much can't hear right now. I'm deaf. That's how bad it is. Oh, I'm deaf. Okay, I think here should be okay.